Good day everyone, my name is Kate Cervantes and I am a healthcare provider. Today I'm going to show you the proper hand washing. Proper hand washing is performed to deter the spread of microorganisms such as bacteria and viruses. So these can cause illnesses, especially those who can cause diarrhea-related illnesses. Therefore, we must know how to perform it well. This also stops the cycle of the transfer of diseases. So before performing the proper hand washing technique, you have to prepare all the materials needed, such as your antimicrobial soap, your clean towel or paper towel, and of course you have to check on the water source. You have to consider that the faucets and sinks, these are contaminated area, so you have to keep away the distance at least 1 foot away from the sink to avoid the transfer of the microbes. Also, you have to note and regulate the pressure of the water coming from the faucet to avoid splashing and transfer of the microorganisms. Then check on your nails. If it's too long, you have to cut it. Remove all the jewelries such as your rings, your wristwatch, and bracelets. These objects and also your fingernails can harbor bacteria. You also have to check on lesions or open wounds because you have to be very cautious about it. Are you ready now for the proper hand washing? First, you have to open the faucet and make sure that the water flow is well regulated. Then you have to place your hands below your elbows because this area is considered cleaner than your fingertips. So in this technique, you are letting the water flow freely from your wrist down to your fingertips. Once that your hands are wet, put an amount of your soap. Then, rub your hands rotationally. Then rub the back or the dorsal part of your hands. Again, from this area down to the fingertips. And interlacing your fingers can clean thoroughly the spaces between fingers. Once you're done, then rub again your hands interlacing each finger.